Does anybody else hear that? Oh my god, it's this! For days, I've been wondering why there's been like a loud clanging sound. It's just been up here? Why are there fireworks up here? This is like to celebrate. This is like to celebrate Xenoverse 3 coming out soon, which I'm pretty sure the announcement for that, or the battle hour where Xenoverse or Age 1000 that'll be showcased is in a few days, or in a week. I'm pretty sure. Although that sound is incredibly annoying, I'm not gonna lie. It sounds like wood hitting nail. Wood hitting nail. What a smart statement.